Hi, today I'll pass current simultaneously through two popular cables, 3 by 1.5 and 3 by 2.5. This installation method is similar to the one specified in the standards, fixing the cable to the surface. And these are single-phase cables with two loaded conductors. The cable's length is over 3 meters. Power is supplied to the 3 by 2.5 cable through a circuit breaker. The cables are connected in a junction box using Wago terminals. At the end of the 3 by 1.5 cable there is the outlet with the short-circuited plug. Please note that each cable has two sensors, one placed between the conductors in the middle and the other touching the outer sheath. This will be a combined test. We'll look at the heating of both cables at different currents, and I'll start at 10 amps. When the breakers trip, I'll replace them with breakers of a higher rated current. At the end of each test, we'll see the maximum temperatures and the thermograms. I'm also really eager to see the temperature inside the junction box. Let's begin. Test 10 amps. It's immediately clear that the temperature rises fastest inside the 3 by 1.5 cable. The outside temperature of the box is up to 30 degrees Celsius, while inside it's around 35 degrees. Both cables got a bit warm, but the 3 by 1.5 heats up more noticeably. Test 16 amps. A 10 amp breaker should trip quite quickly at 16 amps, so we are keeping an eye on it. Temperatures only went up a few degrees. Now I'm swapping in a 16 amp breaker. You can see the heating of the 2.5 square mm wires near the breaker as well as along the cable. Now the 3 by 1.5 cable. The box surface is 35 degrees Celsius. But inside it's over 50 degrees already. Looks like the cause of the additional heating is heat accumulation inside the box. The temperature inside the 3 by 1.5 cable is 45 degrees Celsius. while the 3 by 2.5 is around 36 degrees. Test 20 amps. A 20 amp load on a 16 amp breaker means an overload of 1.25. The breaker can handle this current for quite some time. Near the breaker, the wires reach about 50 degrees Celsius. The box is 45 degrees Celsius. Oops, inside it's already 70 degrees. I think the main heating comes from the Wago contacts with the 1.5 square millimeters wires. So with the 16 amp breaker, the 3 by 1.5 cable temperature can reach 60 degrees Celsius. The 3 by 2.5 cable heats up to 43 degrees. Test 25 amps. The breaker is hot, and now I'm increasing the current to 25 amps. It's interesting how many more seconds will it hold. I switched to a 25 amp breaker. Let's continue the test. The 3 by 1.5 heats up really fast. The sheath temperature of the 3 by 2.5 cable is 45 degrees Celsius. While the 3 by 1.5 is around 65 degrees. Now the box is really hot. Wow, 98 degrees! That's way too much. I didn't expect such heating under these conditions. With the lid open, it's cooling down right before my eyes. It's clear that the 3 by 1.5 cable inside has already overheated, while the 3 by 2.5 is still within normal limits.